Today we're going to talk about how to prepare your vehicle for a road trip to Florida Road Trip Prep, the ultimate car checklist. Welcome back to Carhelpout.com, your local mobile mechanic service. Near me here, it's a simple way to get an independent certified mobile mechanic service who will come or travel to you at any location at your convenience. There's nothing like the thrill of a road trip, windows down, music up, and the open road ahead. Florida's calling. Sunshine, beaches, and that one-of-a-kind vibe. But before you hit the highway, your car needs a little TLC. A bit of prep now means smooth sailing later. Your vehicle is the real MVP of this adventure. You don't need to be a mechanic. Just a few simple checks can make all the difference. We'll walk through the essentials to get your car Florida ready, from fluids to tires. The journey is half the fun, but only if your ride is up for it. Let's make sure your car is as ready as you are. Grab a drink and let's dive into the must-dos for a perfect Florida road trip. Ready? Let's get started. If you're struggling to come up with cash for an emergency auto repair, you're not alone. That's why Auto Car Repair Loans offer a convenient way to gain quick access to the money you need when an emergency pops up. With loans up to $2,500 to $5,000. Visit carhelpout.com/repair loan to get started today. Don't forget, if you ever need to sell your house fast and as-is condition anywhere in the U.S., either to stop foreclosure, avoid county tax auction, or unwanted house, go to boracina.com/carhelpout and get a relief under house burden. Don't forget, if your local small business or good service website needs more traffic exposure from Google, Yahoo, Bing, and other search engines, go to carhelpout.com/SEO. They can help you when it comes to local SEO and online digital marketing service consulting. First up, fluids, engine oil, and coolant are crucial for Florida's heat. Check your oil with the dipstick, top up or change if it's dirty or low. Coolant keeps your engine from overheating. Make sure it's between the MIN and max lines. Glance at brake and power steering fluids and fill up windshield washer fluid for those bug-splattered highways. Now tires, inspect for cracks, bulges, or uneven wear. Use a tire pressure gauge and inflate to the recommended level. Check your door jamb sticker. Don't forget the spare. Make sure it's inflated and you have the tools to change a tire. Practice a tire change at home if you've never done it. Rotate your tires if it's been a while for even wear. Proper fluids and tires mean better safety, fuel economy, and peace of mind. These quick checks can save your trip from disaster. Let's keep you rolling smoothly all the way to the beach. Next up, battery and brakes. Your battery is the heart of your car's electrical system. Don't let it die on you mid-trip. Get it tested at an auto parts store. Replace if it's weak or over 5 years old. Check for corrosion on the terminals and clean if needed. Tighten cables for a solid connection. Now, brakes, listen for squealing or grinding and notice if the pedal feels spongy. Any warning signs? Get them checked by a pro before you go. A mechanic can inspect pads, rotors, and lines for safety. Remember, extra luggage means more brake demand. Good brakes are non-negotiable for a safe trip. Don't gamble with your safety. Handle these basics before you hit the road. Next, let's make sure you can see and be seen. On to lights and safety kits. Visibility is everything. Check all your lights, headlights, taillights, brake lights, turn signals, and hazards. Replace any burnt-out bulbs. It's quick, cheap, and crucial for safety. Now, pack a Florida-ready emergency kit jumper, cables, first aid kit, flashlight, insect repellent, and a poncho. Add a multi-tool reflective triangle, bottled water snacks, and a portable phone charger. These basics keep you prepared for anything from a flat tire to a sudden storm. Being ready isn't expecting trouble. It's smart travel. A little prep goes a long way if you're stuck roadside. With lights and a solid kit, you're set for the unexpected. Next, let's talk comfort and tech for the journey. Stay safe and stay seen. Florida's heat is no joke. Make sure your AC blows cold before you leave. If it's weak, get it checked or recharged. Replace the cabin air filter for max airflow. Use sunshades to keep your car cool when parked. For navigation, update your apps and download offline maps in case you lose service. Plan your route and fun stops ahead of time. Bring car chargers and a multi-port USB adapter for all your devices. Test everything before you go. Dead tech is a road trip killer. Comfort and connectivity make the miles fly by. A little tech prep means less stress and more fun. Now, let's cover Florida's unique driving quirks. Ready for tolls, critters, and storms? Florida's roads have quirks. Be ready for tolls, wildlife, and sudden storms. Get a SunPass for easy toll payments or keep small bills and quarters handy. Watch for wildlife, alligators, deer, and more, especially at dawn and dusk. Slow down in animal zones and stay alert. Florida rainstorms can hit fast and hard. Check your wiper blades. Replace if they streak or chatter. Make sure your defroster works to keep your windshield clear. In heavy rain, slow down and increase following distance. If visibility drops, pull over safely and wait it out. Top up washer fluid for quick cleanups after storms. These tips keep you safe and ready for Florida's surprises. Almost there. Let's wrap it up. That's your Florida road trip prep in a nutshell. Check fluids, tires, battery, and brakes for a worry-free ride. Confirm all lights work and pack a smart emergency kit. Keep cool, stay connected, and plan your route. Be ready for tolls, wildlife, and wild weather. Prep isn't a chore. It's your ticket to a smooth adventure. Now, hit the road, soak up the sun, and make some memories. Enjoy every mile. Your Florida adventure awaits. Carhelpout.com is the best way to get a mobile mechanic autocar repair service shop on wheels to come to you. Whether you're stuck at home or on the side of the road, our mobile mechanics are ready to assist you. We bring the repair shop to your location to save you time and hassle. We also provide emergency vehicle roadside assistance, such as car battery jump start, flat tire road service, running out of gas service if your vehicle stops or has a problem on the side of the road or any business parking lot. We understand that car troubles can be stressful, so we aim to provide quick and efficient solutions to get you back on the road as soon as possible. Additionally, we offer pre-purchase used car buying inspection checkup services review. Whether you're buying from local dealership or private car owner seller, either from Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, automotive auction, or anywhere else, we can help you with PPI inspection. We can come to you at any location, whether it's your home driveway, your office parking lot, or even if you're stranded on the roadside.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.